Hendricks County, Marion County, southeastern Hamilton County, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Indianapolis, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Plainfield, Beech Grove, Speedway, Southport, Westfield, Avon, Cumberland, Fort Hill, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Claremont, Holmcroft, Rocky Ripple, Williams Creek, and Windale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 104 and 124. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 212. Interstate 70 between mile markers 66 and 93. Interstate 74 between mile markers 70 and 95. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Hendricks and Marion,